Story highlights help make your profile look more attractive, more organized, and can help in driving traffic back to your website. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make story highlights and how to organize them in a way to make them look more attractive on your profile so people will want to click on them. So like this, the story highlights, you can organize stuff, you can offer value to your followers, you can direct followers to your website, you can tell them to follow you on Facebook or go onto YouTube, you can tell them to fill out a survey from a story highlights, you can advertise your services, you can do a lot of things with story highlights, and I'll show you how to just now. To make the story highlights for yourself, what you want to do first is download an app called Designer. Designer is a free graphic design tool that allows you to simply make graphics easily through a drag and drop editor. It's very easy to use. You just need to download that. It's available on Android and Apple, so you have no issues in not getting it. So just download that. Once it's downloaded, open it up. At the start, it will prompt you to actually sign up, so you can actually use your Google account as well or Facebook account as well if you want, or if not, you can just sign up through your email, but I normally choose Google account because it's just easier. And then what you want to do is you can choose preset templates, which makes it a lot easier. So what you want to do is choose Instagram story, go on to start from blank or photo grid, so then you want the blank template, the first one. Okay, and then you want to choose the color that you want to make your story highlights. And to do that, it's very easy. Just tap the background and then go on to fill color, and then you can just choose any color you want, or you can go to the color palette and then just choose whichever color. I'll go for black just to show you. For example, if I wanted to make this story highlight into someone getting my social media services, so if they wanted social media management for their account and I wanted the story highlights to show that, the front for this I'd show an icon of maybe the Instagram logo or something to do with social media. So I'll just get an image of that from Google. Once you found a good image, and just save it to your phone, go back to Designer. Put that image in, so that looks good. You can either resize it a bit. Put it in the middle, and once you put it in the middle and it looks good to you, you want to save that to your phone. Download as JPEG. Okay, now that's saved. You want to go back to Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, you want to upload that photo, that post that you just made on Designer, to your stories. Okay, once you've done that, once that's posted, go back to your profile, tap new, and then go on to the latest one, the one you just made, tap it and then click next, tap next. Then you can just call it whatever you want. You can also position it properly so it's properly centered or aligned however you want it. And there it adds the social media icon, so then people can just go to that, and if you can just add highlights to add to your story highlights. All you have to do is tap on the one you want to add to. So I'll just go on the one that I just made now. Tap the three dots that say more, edit highlight, go on to add, and then you can just add to your story highlights from your previous stories. And now it's just added the stories to that specific highlight. Story highlights are a great way to add more value to your followers and provide them your services. So that's it from story highlights. That's how you do it. If you found that video helpful, press the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.